imagine. I'm full of bright ideas. Hello, Thomas, Percy, Edward, James, Bertie, Harold, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel,